Hey guys, I'm bringing you more Battlefield 4 matches. This very different 2v2 Helicopter Cup by ESL. This is a test cup, and so everything's allowed. And this particular match, we jumped in a bit late. Taxpayers versus Wrecking Ball on Henan Dam. I jumped in a bit late to this match. Already 3 rounds we played. This is first team to 7 wins. You get a win when your opponent crashes their helicopter. This was by far the most exciting one of them all, and we'll be doing more helicopter stuff for both ESL and LLBF, albeit likely with different rules in the future. See you guys later. Going Evil Monkey, he does not have distance, but fires a second. This one may have it, maybe. It's so close. He does end up not connecting, I don't believe.
Well, I think he did connect.
Yeah, 70% health.
Hit
Yes.
Yeah.
Another jump. Godhold throws it, firing a stinger, a stinger missile, ends up getting a kill. Godhold does end up getting a connect, gets a kill on this. They are still in this game. It's now 3 versus 2. I actually think that means they switch sides. It's been 5 rounds, so it's time to switch sides.
Yes.
Going to Hustler. Are they switching sides?
They should, that's for sure. They are both flying the Cobra,
The
so
Cobra.
there's really no point per se.
On this map, at least. There may be some
Yes.
maps in which there is a
Definitely.
topographical.
Well, I would say
advantage?
that in the range, on the range maps, it's not really important. But in terms of Shanghai, Dawnbreaker, then there's definitely some advantages.
They already switch up? Are they already playing?
They are going at it.
Do I have the colors right? I do right now. There you go. No connects. Lots of flares, though. Godhold does take a little bit of damage, but just a minuscule amount. All while going to 2x. Takes a damage in the front, 70% health. He's still okay. Dodging missiles. Wow, what a dodge. His TVs are only now getting back up. Here comes David. That has to be a good connect. Oh, it missed barely. Wow. Going to Godhold. They are closing the ranks. 78% health. Going to Evil Monkey. Flares are done. Does get some vehicle hits. Here comes the TV any moment now. Was that successful or what? It was not successful.
Hit reg problems.
80 to 72. This one has to connect. It does not. And actually, something did. Evil Monkey is low. 37% health. He ends up jumping out yet again, but he's now falling down. Is the helicopter gonna... Oh no, the helicopter goes down. That is a score in favor of Wrecking Ball. It's now 3-3. And then he dies. He's gone.
It seems like these two teams are a bit more aggressive than what we saw in the previous match
Yes.
with Fire and Logics.
It is more aggressive, no doubt. It is more aggressive. I'm going to send out a little tweet reminder that I'm doing this. How do I tweet things? I tweet by doing this. There you go. Promotion, guys. It's important. This time I'll use 2 exclamation marks. There you go. We are just waiting for another go. Here we go. It's live yet again. Oh, I had the wrong teams. Godhold and Divide are the taxpayers. I thought that W stood for Wrecking Ball. I will change that.
Oh, you Dasgro.
Well, then what's the real score then? Because I've been giving people the wrong score.
Well, it is 4-2 in Godhold and David's favor.
Okay, it's 4 versus 2. Two backs going for a TV or a flare glitch. More lock-ons. Here come more missiles. Two backs' teammate does go down. Does get some vehicle hits though, but boy is he in trouble. Just dodging things left and right. And ends up getting taken out by Divide. That makes it 5-2 in favor. No. That makes it 4-3 in favor of,
No. 5-2. 5-2 in favor of Godhold and David.
And they are taxpayers. Is that right?
Let me check. I'm not sure. These guys don't go under their normal names.
I don't
Or
know.
normal team names.
I don't know. They are switching
Though-
sides, though.
Wrecking Ball is Evil Monkey and 2Bix.
Evil Monkey and Tubix are now on red. And that's Wrecking Ball. And taxpayers are now blue. Is that right? I am panicking, guys. I've been messing it up the entire time.
So 2Bix and Monkey, they're now US.
So it's now 5. Well, no, they're both U.S.
Oh yes, they're red. They're red. Sorry.
Which U.S.? And then further, is it 5-2 in favor?
It's
of,
5-2.
in
yeah.
favor of taxpayers.
Yes.
Okay. So taxpayers have to win 2 more rounds, and then they will move on to the next match. That's about right. Oh, they're back up, by the way, are they? I think they are. Wait a minute. Did I just miss the whole thing? Did I just miss it? Was that it? Hustler, help me out.
I am a bit confused myself, to be honest.
I don't know that was live. And I can't tell if it's live or not because I don't have chat.
Well, there weren't really a confirmation of a go, so.
Or did you? Did you see a
they're
confirmation?
saying 5-3 now, so.
5-3
Yes.
in favor of taxpayers. Got it. Guys, this is difficult. This is difficult to be able to track this. We came to this game halfway through it, and we don't have chat. So Hustler's got to talk with them. I'm in the blind. No name tags. Will Divide be able to dodge this one? It's got distance. Easy. Good Evil Monkey.
I'm looking forward to the next maps because I'm
connect?
sorry, but
This one's a bit boring.
no, they're dodging it like pros in the sky.
Uh-oh. 96% health. We do see taxpayers use almost all their flares. Will this connect? Oh, I don't think it did. I don't think it did. Going to Divide, he has little tiny crosshairs for some reason. Say 2% health. A response. This could be good. Was it good? It did some damage, 87% health for Evil Monkey. And another Evil Monkey. That may be good. Oh, I don't think it was. But wait, Evil Monkey's at 10% health. They did get hit. They are so low. They flare glitch. Evil monkey. Look at those missiles that go. Will they hit him? I think they may have. 33% health, but they are improving. Here comes a TV. Will this be the end? A dodge. Ooh, a nice disable. 57% health. Uh-oh, you see the corpse flying? This may be their chance to finish it. Only one remaining. He does connect with it. How bad are they hurting? 39% health. They are surviving. That was the opportunity for Wrecking Ball to finish it, but it seems that they are still doing it. Whoa! Misses that hit. And another one. A nice connect by Divide. He is out of flares. This is intense. Here comes Stinger shot? Maybe? No. Shoot him right in the face. So close. 31% health. 1% health. Oh my god, 21%. He's so low, but he fires his last missiles off. It's anyone's game. Wow. 17% health. What is going on? Here comes two more. And that's it. Tubex does take out both. That's 1 point for Wrecking Ball.
So this is definitely everybody's game here. Like
It's anyone's game. That was intense.
Tubex and Monkey, they're back in the fight.
They are back in the fight. They are now jumping out and crashing, waiting for it to respawn. There it is. So easy. Waiting for everyone to jump back in. Here they are. The chat says Logic Turbo should be Logic Turbo 800 meters, because that's what he plays at all the time. Okay, here we go yet again. Going to Tubex. He's looking around. Going to Evil Monkey. He's thinking to himself, am I going to shoot? I'm still at a huge amount of range. Why waste the missile? Divide, same idea. Wow. Divide comes in with a response missile a bit high. Oh no. I think the taxpayers took one right to the face. As did Evil Monkey. 97 versus 97 versus... They're all 100%. .500 meters out. We do see some flare glitching. But here comes another shot. I don't believe it connected, but watch out. Those missiles are everywhere. Going to third person with Tubex. They are closing in on one another. Here comes another TV. Barely a miss. Going to God hold. A big hit. Here comes more. A miss. Look at those TVs go crazy, or those little missiles go crazy. They're at 33% health, though. Evil Monkey, with Wrecking Ball, he is low on health. Waiting for a reload on both his main guns and perhaps the TV. 16% health. They have to do something right now. Get out or get a kill. Here's the TV. This is probably their last chance. Does not connect. Another. Too low. Too high. 12% health. Taxpayers just needs 2 more kills. And they're almost on the cusp of making it 1. 4% health. Oh, they're down. Helicopter goes flying.
So
And Taxpayers walks away with an arm.
So 6-4. So
6-4. This could be game point.
checkmate. I really hope we can move off of this map soon, because it's a bit more entertaining on the other maps. There's a bit more that the pilots can do, and I'm really looking forward to the next 2 stages. That's just my opinion.
Yes. Is Turbo still... Turbo, is your match... Has your match started yet? I don't see it. I don't think it's started yet. Your match is... Have you already played your semi-match? Is that right? Your semis against Akbar Verloit? Whatever it is. Will that connect? Oh boy, I thought that would have most certainly connected. And here comes another TV. Blows up behind him. That one. No. Real close. It's gonna even monkey. A little bit of damage. Flares out. Okay, some really good shots. 20% damage on him. Oh, this could be it. That has to be a connect. 29% health. It definitely was a connect. We do see Taxpayers have the high advantage, but it's barely going to third person. Just trying to hold on. They are on fire now. Oh, he goes flying. I think that's it. I don't think... Actually, is it? No, yeah, that's it. That's it. I wanted to make sure. It went to Hustler automatically.
It's
so,
6-5 now.
It is 6-5. Wow. It's still game
Close
point.
match.
It is a close match.
Okay, so they're gonna do the ready. They're gonna hit the go.
Yes.
And we're gonna get right into it.
So has Golden Eagles played Akbar Verloit already? I wasn't able to get confirmation. Or are they waiting?
I am not sure, to be honest.
Oh, his message deleted because he's spamming too much or something. Oh no, I can't even see what he's saying. Oh well. Going to Evil Monkey's first person view. That has to be good. Certainly it wasn't. It felt like it was good. That was good. Let's see what the damage was. 100%, no damage. It just felt like it was good. They are getting real close. 120 meters and then some. Now less than 100. 28% health for Taxpayers. 10%. Boy, they're low. One's down. Lots of connects. Will this be the it for Evil Monkey? Oh, I don't know. You're still up. Boy, it looked like that was going to be the end. No, that is the end. Tubex does end up taking them out. Guys, it's even. 6-6. The next round will be the determining round.
I don't think we could have asked for a closer game.
Oh, yeah. An incredible match thus far. Well, the helicopter did not die. It's dead now. There is a lot of dust in this game, although I have everything on Ultra. Is that why? Can I turn the dust down on my settings? Is that possible?
I'm not sure.
Is it? I should be streaming at 1080, 30 frames. Shoots the missile out of the sky. Seven kills to win. It is even, guys. One. This is the last one. This is the last potential round. Unless they both die at the same time, which I've never seen happen. Ooh, that was a close one. Oh, I see what you guys mean. Dusting means that it blows up but doesn't actually hit anything. As in the verb, you are like a crop duster. It's dusting it. Wow, this good. Oh, that was close.
I'm actually surprised that they're going this close to each other. I was expecting a little bit more of a range fight out of this.
It is a lot more closer up. I like the med pack just floating there. Going to Evil Monkey's perspective. Flares. Hit reg. Nope. Oh no. He's low on health. All the red. Oh, that looks close. 44 health. Or 44 for his vehicle. Evil Monkey. Going to Godhold. 13% health. They gotta stay up. Getting vehicle hits. Good vehicle hits. It could be any moment. We could see them go down. He does fire and takes a high bank. He is diving a little bit, but he ends up gaining some ground, some distance away. Where is his teammate? His teammate's dead. He's back in, though. Where is David? Let's go to Divide. Not David. Waiting for a reload. 63% health. They're still in this. Oh, this could hit. That felt like it could hit. This is good stuff. Will. Is. Oh, could this be it? That looked like a connect, maybe? 65 health, Evil Monkey 29. It certainly must have been. But instead of increasing the range, they are decreasing it, 130 and declining. They think they can just win the close quarter battle, but 13% health. Wow! That's it, guys. Taxpayers ends up winning it. Taxpayers of a Wrecking Ball, 7-6. Wow. That was intense.
So I guess they kind of deserved it, I guess, because they were in such a lead.
They were.
But good job, Two Bigs and
now they're
Monkey
going
getting
after
back
you,
in the fight.
Hustler. They're trying to kill you.
I'm invincible. I'm actually gonna see if I can snipe him out.
Nice. They want to boop you. And
hijack the
nice
chopper.
Job.
What's up, bitches?
Let's go to the Hustler cam as he takes the chopper and kills them. Nice. Nice job.
Don't mess with a legend.
Yes.
Yeah.
Another jump. Godhold throws it, firing a stinger, a stinger missile. Ends up getting a kill. Godhold does end up getting a connect. Gets a kill on this. They are still in this game. It's now 3 versus 2. I actually think that means they switch sides. It's been 5 rounds, so it's time to switch sides.
Yes.
Going to Hustler. Are they switching sides?
They should, that's for sure.
Hey guys, I'm bringing you more Battlefield 4 matches. This very different 2v2 Helicopter Cup by ESL. This is a test cup, and so everything's allowed. And this particular match, we jumped in a bit late. Taxpayers versus Wrecking Ball on Henan Dam. I jumped in a bit late to this match. Already 3 rounds of play. This is first team to 7 wins. You get a win when your opponent crashes their helicopter. This was by far the most exciting one of them all, and we'll be doing more helicopter stuff for both ESL and LLBF, albeit likely with different rules in the future. See you guys later. Going Evil Monkey, he does not have distance, but fires a second. This one may have it, maybe. It's so close. He does end up not connecting, I don't believe.
Well, I think he did connect.
Yeah,
with
70%
the
health.
hit wreck.
272. This one has to connect. It does not. And actually, something did. Evil Monkey is low. 37% health. He ends up jumping out yet again, but he's now falling down. Is the helicopter gonna... Oh no, the helicopter goes down. That is a score in favor of Wrecking Ball. It's now 3-3. And then he dies. He's gone.
It seems like these two teams are a bit more aggressive than what we saw in the previous match with the Fire and Logics.
It is more aggressive, no doubt. It is more aggressive. I'm gonna send out.
They are both flying the Cobra,
The
so
Cobra.
there's really no point per se.
On this map, at least. There may be some maps in which there is a
Definitely.
topographical.
Well, I would say that in the range, on the range maps, it's not really important. But in terms of Shanghai, Dawnbreaker, then there's definitely some advantages.
They already switch up? Are they already playing?
They are going at it.
Do I have the colors right? I do right now. There you go. No connects. Lots of flares, though. Godhold does take a little bit of damage, but just a minuscule amount. All while going to 2x. Takes a damage in the front, 70% health. He's still okay. Dodging missiles. Wow, what a dodge. His TVs are only now getting back up. Here comes David. That has to be a good connect. No, it missed barely. Wow. Going to Godhold. They are closing the ranks. 78% health. Going to Evil Monkey. Flares are done. Does get some vehicle hits. Here comes the TV any moment now. Was that successful or what? It was not successful.
Hit wreck problems.
80